Tubing extractor and threader tool. This has two sides, a tubing extractor, and on the other side a nylon cord which is used for threading new pieces of tubing into the ear mould. To remove an old tube from an ear mould, place the extractor into the tip and twist gently. This will dislodge the tube, which can then be pulled out as such. To insert a new tube, feed the threader side through the ear mould and then insert the tube into the loop and gently pull through. The tube can then be aligned and trimmed at this point.